Hey guys, Nicholas1234 here, and today I'm going to be doing a Subway Surfer gameplay, part 2. So yeah, let's get started. I want to give a shout out to Zachary Southard and Jesse Southard. And the channels will be in the link in the description box below. So yeah, let's get started. They're here with me right now. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna do a round, Jesse's gonna do a round, and Zach's gonna do a round. We're gonna see who's better at Subway Surfers. So I'm gonna go first. I haven't played this game in a very long time, so let's see what I can do. Hopefully I do really good. And if we could get 5 likes, that'd be great. 5 likes on this episode would be awesome. Make sure you subscribe to the channels that will be in the description. I'm not gonna be doing that many giveaways, but maybe I will. I don't know. So I will be doing Black Ops 3 gameplays, Skate 3, Forza Horizon gameplays, Black Ops 2 gameplays, and some other gameplays. So yeah, leave me y'all's YouTube channels below, and I will give y'all a shout out. So it's Jesse's turn. Let's see how good he can do.
Okay, open the box.
Alright, don't double it. Alright, so it's Jesse's turn. Jesse's gonna go. I don't know if I could do this. Leave in the comments what y'all think we should do for the next video. I'm thinking next video I should do like a Skate 3 or a Black Ops 2 gameplay. So yeah.
Sorry, y'all, that was my idiot brother.
Rip headphones. So yeah.
Rip headphone users. Can't land on the edge. Y'all died.
Okay.
I guess.
So it is Zachary's turn. So he's got